Now come to question number 9. Sajili took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find area if the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. What will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. See the solution. A total length of wire equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of the circle equal to 44 centimeter. Only find circumference of circle. It is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter. Here put the value of pi and find the value of r. You will get 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r equal to 44. R equal to 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Solve this. Cancel 2 1 ja, 2 22 ja, and 22 1 ja, 22 1 ja. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, area of circle equal to pi r square. Put the value of pi and r. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius it is 7 centimeter square. Here cancel 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. Multiply 22 into 7, you will get 154 centimeter square. This is area of circle. Now, wire is bent into the shape of a square. Therefore, perimeter of a square equal to 44 centimeter. How will you find perimeter of a square? It is 4 into side equal to 44. Therefore, side of a square equal to 44 upon 4. Here simplify it. 4 1 ja, 11 4 ja, equal to 11 centimeter. Therefore, side of square equal to 11 centimeter. The area of square equal to side into side put the values. It is 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter, multiply it, you will get 121 centimeter square. Now compare the area of square and circle. What we observe, that area of circle is greater than area of square. Therefore, on comparing the areas, on comparing what we observe, that the area of circle is greater than that of square. So the circle includes more area. Now come to question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of remaining sheet. Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. See the solution. Here what is given to you? Radius of circular card sheet. Radius of circular sheet equal to 14 centimeter. Let us take it as capital R. Therefore, area of circular sheet equal to pi capital R square. Put the value of pi and r. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into capital R, it is 14. It is r square, it means 14 into 14 centimeter square. Here simplified 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja 14. Here find the product. You will get 616 centimeter square. Now let us find out area of two small circles. Here radius of small circles, it is 3.5 centimeter. Let us represent it by small r. Therefore area of small circles, area of two small circles, it is 2 into pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square and there are two circles, therefore we have multiplied it by 2. Your formula becomes 2 into pi r square. Now put the value 2 into pi, its value is 22 upon 7 into r, it is 3.5, remove the decimal, 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10 centimeter square. Now solve this. Here 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja 35, again 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja and 2 1 ja, then again by 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10 and by 2, 2 1 ja 22, 11 ja. What will you get? 11 into 7 equal to 77 centimeter square. Now length of rectangle, it is 3 centimeter. Breadth of rectangle, equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is 3 centimeter. Breadth is 1 centimeter. Multiply it, you will get 3 centimeter square. Therefore area of remaining sheet equal to area of circular sheet minus area of two smaller circles minus area of rectangle. It is equivalent to area of circular sheet. It is 616 minus area of two smaller circles. It is 77 centimeters square minus area of rectangle. It is 3 centimeters square. Centimeters square. Yes, all this you will get 616 minus 80 centimeters square. Yes, subtract it 616 minus 80. We will get 536 centimeters square. Therefore, area of remaining sheet is 536 centimeters square. This is your answer.